Hey everyone, thank you so much for being on my channel. It means so much to me that you are here. I wanted to introduce myself so you can figure out who the heck is Esther Moerman and what does she do. So anyway, I'm Esther, if you haven't figured that out. And what I am is I'm a wedding photographer and I am also an educator. So I am a business coach for those who are looking to take their photography business to the next level. Check it out. And I take people through my accelerator program. I also am a course creator, so if people are looking for like one specific thing that they want to get better at, they can purchase one of my courses. And for in regards to my photography business, I started out and I had a really hard time starting out. There was so many different struggles and adversities I had faced. I got scammed. I had no belief from anyone that I could do it. And anyway, so long story short, that's how I ended up wanting to become a business coach, is because I want to see the success of others that took me way too long to try and figure out on my own and felt kind of blind and lost. So that's why I started coaching myself, is to help out others who are looking for that. And I am just so thankful that you are here on my channel and have subscribed to see some content that is gonna benefit you and your photography business. And I'm gonna be sharing all kinds of tips and tricks and resources that are just going to benefit you and your business. So thanks again for being here, and I look forward to connecting with you.